One, two, three, let's switch this up. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Aggie J, and we are here today with a hair tutorial and hair review. Honestly, this is Divine Bundles on my head, and right now it is blow drying out and brushed out, and this is its natural state, brushed out. It actually has a really beautiful wave that I love, and I should have took pictures of, but if you follow me on all my social sites, you'll see everything that I'm about to do with this wig. So first of all, I would like to start off with telling you the length. Okay, so if I bring it all to the front, I want y'all to guesstimate the length. If you really care about hair, in the comments, because this is where it comes on me. And you know, lengths come differently on different size and different body shape and neck length and head length, women. But this is a 22, I believe, the longest inch, and then it goes up. I have 3 bundles in my head, not all of my 3rd bundle, and a lace closure. If y'all see that lace, y'all see that lace. Oh my gosh, the lace is really beautiful. I believe this is transparent lace. I don't know. I'm gonna get all the information and put it down in the description below. But yeah, this is a wig I made and I did pretty good because there's no glue, hunty. Look at that. It's sitting up, and then like you could just turn it and just have all types of hairstyles, boo. Look at it. Who you talking to? This is the sad part. It's their 100th birthday. Excuse my language, that's a hang up on high city I've been feeling. I'm sorry, I feel no attraction and now that it's been a bit. 'Cause I've been so long, so long. Hey. 'Cause I've been so long for so long. Hey. 'Cause I've been so long for so long. Hey. 'Cause I've been so long for so long. Hey. 'Cause I've been sorry, forgive me, for you know that I'm always sinning. I take no one, just party in my liquor, fucking love system. Excuse my language, that's a hang up on high city I've been feeling. I'm sorry, I feel no attraction and now that it's been a bit.
Tu donnes du moi, je veux jouer le sexe. Oh no, no, I swear. swear to God, how can I prove it？ 每天早上我会为你准备早餐点心，喜欢你抱我，喜欢你穿我的袜底。Oh no no, I swear to God, how can I prove it? Prove it, prove it, prove it。想开着你的黑色安弗拉，带你去桑塔莫尼卡，看日落海边闪闪，靠着我，围着世界去按下 post key， 让我轻轻咨询你嘴角的边角里。I want to love you。每当我听到这首 MJ 的歌，想对你说，想对你说。记得你问我，是不是为了 sex with me？Oh no no, I swear to God, how can I prove it？ 每天早上我会为你准备早餐点心，喜欢你抱我，喜欢你穿我的袜底。
Cause the hater girl, I like to get real flat. Cause you know the hater girls like to sneak this. Y'all know they always be ready to say somebody muffin sitting up too high. Some of the muffins do be sitting up too high. But we gonna make sure this muffin never sitting too high. Cause the hater bitch always trying to feel like they got one up. One up. And they don't. You never will, baby, cause you're not happy. That's facts. Alexa, pause. This 2022 year, I need y'all to be happy for yourselves. So y'all ain't gotta go around being mad or sad about nobody else. Okay? Nobody else happiness. Nobody else greatness. Nobody else's successes. Because it don't make no sense. You gotta be mad at your self-love. Because you definitely ain't mad at somebody that you barely talk to. You can't be. Or somebody you don't know. You can't be. You mad at yourself. Y'all be giving a whole lot of insight on celebrity lives. And y'all don't even know these people. And I get it. It's all fun and games to talk about your favorite celebrity. But some of y'all just be hateful and no fucking point. Like, get a better life, Suzanne. Get a better life. You have to. Of the video, my review is that the hair is brilliant and nice and soft. It lasts because I've had this for some months. This is my second install, so that's why I'm, you know, reviewing it. It is like furry, but that's could be on my behalf because I slept on it and all this other stuff, because it was pretty silky when you see me first wearing it. But I got so caught up with the new year that I couldn't like go through with my plans. But y'all look, good hair. What I will say is you get more length for your bucks. So if you were shooting for a 20-inch, get an 18. If you are, you know what I'm saying? Because I think this is supposed to be a 22 or a 20, and like, look where it comes, you guys. So yeah, she definitely gives you more length. As the thickness, when it comes to thickness, it's like medium thickness. It's not that thick, but it's not thin either. That's crazy. But I love the hair. Y'all already know how I feel about the lace from the beginning of the video. Like, the lace don't even be down half of the time and it still looks good. So lace is a 10 for sure. Customer service, you guys, I don't get the same customer service because of the title. But, you know, customer service is good. Shop, get you some bundles for the new year, baby. And live life, be blessed, and pick you first. Okay? Because you always do what the fuck you want when you pick yourself. And do what the fuck you want. Okay? So y'all can be more happy and be more kind to other people and be yourselves. Be yourself. Be yourself. Be yourself.